For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Navdeep Saini has become a well-known commodity in Indian cricket for the time he made his debut for the Blues in 2019. The Delhi Pacer is regarded to be one of the fittest Indian cricketers, and fans have been awed by his recent social media posts and workouts. Not just that, fans have been comparing Navdeep Saini to Portugal legend Cristiano Ronaldo when it comes to fitness. The 27-year-old has now begun training and shared a couple of videos on social media. The Indian pacer was seen running on the tracks in order to be in the right shape. He also shared a video in which he can be seen increasing his body strength by exercising like a track and field athlete. However, it is Saini's pictures which have forced fans to compare him with Cristiano Ronaldo, who by the way is regarded to be one of the fittest athletes in all sports. In several posts, the 27-year-old can be seen exposing his well-toned physique and six-pack abs. Indian tennis star Yuki Bhamri commented Ronaldo Saini in one of his posts. Saini devotes a lot of his time in remaining in right shape by working out extensively. In an earlier video, Saini was seen nailing an incredible balancing act at his home. Pulling off something like this requires a great upper body strength, and Saini just did it with utmost ease, which wowed his fans. Saini himself has said that fitness is a major reason which has taken his game to the next level. Saini is among the very few bowlers in Indian cricket who can bowl consistently at 140 km per hour. In his short international career, Saini has played 5 ODIs and 10 T20 internationals for India. In limited number of games he has played for India, Saini has been very impressive. Saini has become a sensation on social media, and the Indian pacer has been lauded by his fans. His pictures and videos are inspiring his fans and giving them major fitness goals.